got all these TikTok shop finds for you guys. It's so much that I can't even sit down. You wouldn't even see me if I came. So let's hurry up and open them so I can sit down. And let's talk about it. We're going to go from top to bottom. I'm so excited about this. I was waiting for this summer. Let me tell you. I know this is about to be giving, and I'm not going to try it on right now. You guys going to have to wait. You're going to have to come for the next video. I wasted 2 pieces. You see the scrunch on the side, and I think it has tummy control as well. So, and then I like the top. Now, y'all just going to be mad at me. I don't care. But it's giving. This is sexy. In a couple of colors, or I think it might only come in black. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but it's high-waisted and it has tummy control. And this is very padded, very thick. I got a size small. Ooh, this underwire too, very secure. Like you see, it's not even bending. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna try this on for you guys. Gonna have to come back for the next video. I showed you guys this already. I don't know where the bottom thing is. I've been hiding this from my kids because they've been trying to steal it, but this is so cool. This is a water gun, so it has the thing that comes here. This, you push the nozzle this way to absorb the water here. And it will fill up and come into the like thingy. I'm not finding it right now. I'll make a separate video for it. And then you shoot like this. Or you can automatic. Say hello to my little friend. Yeah. Alright, I gotta stop. Alright, anyways. Yeah, so this supposedly a silencer. Ain't nothing silent about this. It's still very loud unless I don't have it on right. But anyways, yeah, silencer. It comes with the like, you know, the water storage. You got the this. You got the this. This is also supposed to turn on. Oh, there you go. There you go. Green dot. Period. Anyways, nice. Like this. We are the new adults. I put packages inside of packages because there was so many packages. We got these lashes. I have never seen clusters that come between 18 and like I think it's like 18 and 25. I'm so excited. I love really big, dramatic, fluffy lashes. I haven't had no lashes in so long because I don't have no lash glue. And I don't understand why this comes with no lash glue, but I like them, so you guys get a pass. But put some lash glue. Anyways, I like them though. I like these. These are, we're gonna install these. This one's like some last day. I'm really excited for this. This is like the perfect like gift set for any of the skincare girlies. You got any skincare girlies, or if you're having like a little event, you know, you want to give like a little gift basket or somebody's birthday. This is like $25. I think it comes with all of the essentials. And then comes this cute little pouchy gift bag. It's cute. I like this little lavender color. I'll do another video for that. Sad this summer, and the phone needs to be charged so that you can be outside and create content. Now this supposedly connects. It has like 3 different charging outlets, so you could connect this anywhere. Because you know sometimes when you outside, I'm from the hood, like they be having like those little funny outlets. Like they got the little funny outlets into it. It does have like the regular thing, and it is currently, it tells you it's currently on 67%. So you could charge your iPhone, you could charge your computer or anything that has a charging outlet, of course, obviously. But this looks like a really durable and nice power bank. I also think this is MagSafe as well. I'm not sure. I gotta look at it and then I'll get back to you guys. It's been 5 minutes and I have so many other things to show you guys. Okay, look at these. I like these. These taste great. These are some crazy gummies. This one is good. Now the only thing I will say is these things are huge, guys. Can we like get more of a smaller, compact version? Like it's a lot of chewing. You need 4 of these a day. It's really good though. I like them. I'm not gonna lie, they do taste good, but it's something, you know, with the mental, these big old things. But they're really good though. They're really good. We love some, you know, vaginal substances. Oh, we love things for the kitty. Anyways, these smell really good and they taste really good as well. They taste like fruit. So cute. It's shaped like a little heart. I like these. I'm taking 2 right now. Okay. This is supposed to, I think, give you energy or something like that. This flavor is cool. They have like a Red Bull flavor and some other things. They look good. We'll try it. Do I necessarily feel comfortable snorting something in my nose? I don't know about that, but I'll show it to you. I might not like it, but you might like it. I tried it out, so you know it's legit. You know it's real. I seen these and I heard they were really great. These are supposed to, it has green tea, B vitamin, supposed to help with metabolism and something activate. I think it's supposed to help like, you know, things that I can't say on TikTok shop because I don't want them to flag my video. But I heard really great things about these. I've seen these all over TikTok. I believe these are viral on TikTok for a reason. They work and I want to try them. Flat stomach and media to be in the same sentence. You see how pretty it is? This is like the perfect little gift because it comes just like this. I didn't want to mess it up before I showed it to you guys, so let's open it. If I could get it open. It's cute. Aww. Look at it. And it's a rose quartz. Little message. And Rose Quartz invites you to embrace yourself unconditionally. Release what no longer serves you and welcome love that heals and inspires. Connected to the heart chakra, it opens the door to deeper connections and strengthens bonds of compassion and understanding. It expands the love you give and the love you are worth receiving, or so worth receiving. My bad. Let me read all the words, you guys. Put a little gift card in here if you were going to give this to somebody as a gift. It says shine on. Here's a piece of hope with a lot of love. So you... Oh, okay. It was supposed to... Here's a piece of hope with a lot of love so you shine on. Cute. That was cute. On the back it gives you the care tips. So it says how to keep your jewelry looking new, keep perfume, hairsprays, sunscreen off your jewelry, avoid tangling by handling during do not wear. You don't care. You can read it if you buy it. For it is given that we receive. This is cute. Very well thought out, very spiritual, and I like this. Unconditional, so it says Rose Quartz, unconditional love, heart chakra, inner healing, self-compassion, emotional balance, and self-trust. And it's very pretty. It's something you can wear every day, or you